Why teach kids coding and robotics? Welcome to RoboGems. In this video, we'll show you what our program is all about, and how your kids can benefit from it. The U.S. Department of Labor predicts that jobs in the STEM field will grow by 8% between 2017 and 2029. On average, STEM jobs offer salaries that are more than double those of other professions. By exposing students to STEM subjects through coding and robotics, we can spark their interest in these fields. Our goal is to provide affordable STEM education to children so they can be prepared for future challenges. RoboGems offers courses in coding and robotics to school students from 2nd to 12th standard. We offer a variety of online courses in Scratch, Python, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Our robotics courses are offered in both online and in-person mode, using the best-in-class LEGO education robotics kits. What distinguishes our courses from others in the market is the expertise and passion of our teachers. Regular assignments and projects are carried out using Google Classroom. Our curriculum is designed by experienced professionals and regularly updated to ensure it is engaging and relevant. Book a free trial today to experience our class in action.